London, the bustling capital of England and the United Kingdom, is a city steeped in history, culture, and diversity. With over 8 million people, this city is truly never sleep. It's a global hub for finance, fashion, arts, and entertainment, making it one of the most dynamic and exciting cities in the world. London welcomes more than 20 million international tourists each year. The best time to visit London is during the spring, March to May, and fall, September to November, when the weather is mild and the city is less crowded. For those looking for the most economical time to visit, consider traveling in the winter months, December to February, excluding the Christmas and New Year period. Visiting London in the off-season offers several budget-friendly perks, like lower accommodation rates, cheaper flights, and enjoy less crowded attractions. Additionally, there are discounts on theater tickets, sales in shops and restaurants, and numerous free indoor activities like museums and galleries. Seasonal events like Winter Wonderland and festive markets add unique, low-cost experiences to your trip. London is divided into 33 administrative units, 32 boroughs, and the City of London. Additionally, London is divided into 6 transport zones. The more zones you need to cross, the more expensive the fare will be, and transportation in London is not cheap. Most major attractions are concentrated in Zones 1 and 2, the center of London, so choosing accommodation outside of these zones, especially on the outskirts in Zones 5 or 6, is not very logical. The money saved on accommodation will largely be spent on transportation. Not to mention, you will spend a lot of valuable time which would be better used for visiting interesting places. So, here is a list of the best areas to stay in London. And at number 1 is Westminster. Westminster is located on the left bank of the Thames. This area is the main attraction for tourists because it is home to world-famous landmarks, including the Westminster Palace and Westminster Abbey, Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, Hyde Park, and many others. Westminster covers a large area and is divided into several smaller districts, Soho, Covent Garden, and Mayfair, which are part of the most prestigious area of London, known as the West End. Hotels in central Westminster are perhaps the most expensive. Staying here is like being in Times Square in New York. You'll be right in the thick of things, but it will come at a price. However, London is a large city, and its tourist center is also quite extensive. The London Eye is located in Lambeth, the Tate Modern Gallery in Southwark, the British Museum in Camden, and the Tower of London in Tower Hamlets. All of these are also considered central London, just a slightly less central center, if you will. If you're a fan of nightlife and parties, then Soho is the place for you. Life here is always buzzing, and the unique atmosphere of this place attracts a large number of tourists. However, I wouldn't recommend staying in Soho if you're traveling with children or if getting a good night's sleep is important to you. At the same time, the Lambeth district, located on the south bank of the Thames, offers conditions more suitable for a quiet and family-friendly stay. You can easily walk from here to the city's central attractions, including the Palace of Westminster, Big Ben, Trafalgar Square, by simply crossing the Thames. This area is home to Waterloo Station and the Waterloo Bridge, as well as Westminster Bridge, which connect Lambeth with Westminster. Within the district itself, you'll find several notable attractions, such as Lambeth Palace, the residence of the Archbishops of Canterbury, the Royal National Theatre, the Sea Life London Aquarium, and the London Eye, which was opened in 2000 to mark the turn of the millennium and quickly became one of London's most recognizable symbols. Also worth mentioning is the popular Leek Street Tunnel, also known as the Banksy Tunnel and the Graffiti Tunnel, which runs under the railway tracks leading to Waterloo Station and is a favorite among street art enthusiasts. As for tourist accommodations, the closer you are to the Thames, the higher the prices. However, there are more affordable options available. Just a bit farther from the river, you'll find plenty of budget hotels and apartments. Camden is located north of Westminster and northwest of the city. Within its boundaries, you'll find the British Museum, the University of London, as well as King's Cross and Street Pancras stations, which together form a major transportation hub. From the International Street Pancras station, Eurostar trains depart for Paris and Brussels. King's Cross is a convenient departure point for travel within the UK, offering routes to destinations like Cambridge and Edinburgh, the capital of Scotland. King's Cross is also home to the famous platform 9 3/4, beloved by fans of the Harry Potter books and films. While you might not actually get to Hogwarts, you can take a photo with the trolley halfway through the wall of the magical platform. Be prepared to wait in line. You'll be provided with the necessary magical props and can take a photo for free, but they will also offer you the option to purchase their photos right there in the shop. Also from here, you can travel to the Warner Brothers studio to London by taking a train to Watford Junction. From the train station, you can reach the museum on a free electric shuttle. You'll find a link with more details in the video description below. London is a vast city with a rich history and countless fascinating places to explore. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, especially if it's your first time visiting. When it comes to budgeting, it's important to keep in mind that London is not a cheap city. Therefore, when purchasing tickets, booking flights, and other travel-related expenses, it's wise to use services that offer additional discounts and cashback, such as Honey, Rakuten, and RebatesMe. For example, Rakuten not only provides up to 15% off your booking, but if you sign up using the referral link found in the video description, you can receive a welcome bonus of up to $30, credited to your account after your first booking or online purchase. I've been using this service for over 10 years, and since I travel frequently and shop online, I've saved thousands of dollars this way. Now you know how to do it too. The British Museum is definitely a must-visit on your trip to London. This iconic museum offers a journey through time with exhibits from ancient Egypt, Greece, Rome, and beyond. And the best part? Entry is completely free. However, this also means it's a popular spot, often drawing large crowds. To make the most of your visit, I highly recommend booking a time ticket in advance. Just imagine skipping those long lines by securing your ticket online beforehand. You can book your ticket on the official museum website, and it's completely free. This will definitely save you a lot of time. The link to the British Museum's website will also be provided in the description below this video. Trafalgar Square offers a quintessential London experience, rich with history and vibrant culture. It serves as a hub for public events, performances, and celebrations, making it a lively spot year-round. The surrounding area boasts stunning architecture, including the National Gallery, which houses an impressive collection of art, including works by Van Gogh, Rembrandt, and Leonardo da Vinci. Entrance to the National Gallery is also free, making it an accessible and enriching experience for everyone. Next iconic destination in my list will be Buckingham Palace. Experience royal splendor at the Royal Official London Residence. Time your visit to see the changing of the guard, a ceremony filled with British pomp and pageantry. If you like vibrant atmosphere and bustling energy, then Leicester Square is a must-visit destination for you in London, and this is for several reasons. Known as the entertainment hub of the city, Leicester Square is surrounded by numerous theaters, making it the perfect place to catch a world-class play or the latest blockbuster movie. The square itself is often filled with street performers, adding to the lively ambience. Leicester Square is also home to many famous landmarks, including the iconic Odeon Cinema, which regularly hosts film premieres attended by stars from around the globe. For those who enjoy a bit of history, the square has several statues of famous figures. Additionally, the area boasts a wide range of restaurants, cafes, and bars, offering everything from quick bites to fine dining. If you're traveling with kids or are a science enthusiast yourself, then the Science Museum is the perfect choice for you. With interactive exhibits, hands-on activities, and iconic artifacts like the Apollo 10 command module, it promises an enriching and engaging experience for all ages. Like the nearby Natural History Museum, the Science Museum offers free entrance, so you can enjoy a captivating journey through the history of science and technology. London truly offers endless options for exploring, and I've only mentioned a few. I'm sure you have your own favorites and hidden gems. Please share in the comments what's on your list and why you love those locations. There's no question that your insights will be greatly appreciated by our traveler community. London boasts a world-class transportation infrastructure, making it easy to explore every corner of this vibrant city. The iconic London Underground, or Tube, offers quick and efficient travel with its extensive network of 11 lines and 270 stations. Complementing the Tube are the famous red double-decker buses, providing scenic routes throughout the city. For a unique perspective, the River Thames offers riverboats that glide past some of London's most famous landmarks. Although the best way to explore London and uncover its secrets is by walking, utilizing public transportation can also be a great idea. For example, travel cards are valid on almost all scheduled public transport in Greater London and are available in one-day peak or off-peak versions, or as a season ticket for 7 days, 1 month, or longer. But I will recommend you to be aware that it may be cheaper to buy a train ticket to London and then use contactless payment for travel within the capital. London is unique and multifaceted, and of course, one video isn't enough to capture all its fascinating aspects. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, commenting, and being part of a community of people who love travel and wonders. Love you all. See you next time. Lana Silver.